Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about 3 important literature review writing tools. So as researchers, we are struggling to write a literature review part of our research paper. So among them, AI tool will help you to write a better literature review for your research paper. So in this video, I am going to explore 3 important literature review writing AI tool that every researchers must know. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools and different options available in this particular AI tools. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first tool what we are going to discuss is that 𝐲𝐸𝐴𝐶 or typesetio. So this is one of the best tool where you can make your literature review very better. So here you can see you can search or discover any topic you want. So apart from this, you can upload the document, that is very important. So you can upload your document and make your literature review very better. So here this is the option, you can see upload PDF. So in this you can upload any PDF. So you can download your reference papers. So that reference papers you can upload. So I am going to upload this paper. So upload one file. So it will take several seconds to upload that paper. So before that, I will show you what is the paper I have uploaded. Thereby you can get a idea what is the paper I have uploaded. So here you can see this is the paper I have uploaded for literature review. Optimization of controller parameters for grid tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using ANN based algorithm. So this is the paper I have uploaded in this particular tool. So after uploaded, so here you can see here you will be having an option called 12 more. So here you can see that our paper will showcased here. So just click on this 12 more. So here you can see these are the possible questions can be asked in this paper. So in this, explain abstract of the paper in 2 lines. What are the contributions of this paper? Find related papers. Explain the practical implications of this paper. Summarize introduction of this paper. Literature survey of this paper, methods used in this paper, what data has been used in this paper, results of the paper. So these are the possible questions where you can ask in this paper. As far as literature review is concerned, so you can just click on literature survey of this paper. So it will take several seconds and it will generate literature survey of the paper. So here it will reading the paper and it will generate literature review. So this research paper compares the efficiency of a proposed cuckoo search with genetic algorithm and bacterial foraging optimization algorithm for optimizing control parameters in grid tied PV system. And then you can see previous studies have shown 𝐸𝐴 is effective in yielding optimal values. So like that, this study highlights the use of response surface methodology and ANN to develop mathematical model of PV system, showcasing an innovative approach to optimization in non-linear system. So this is how you can see that your literature review will be generated instantly. So other than that, here you can see you can ask any questions you want. So for example, so if you want to summarize the introduction of this paper, so just click on summarize the introduction of the paper. So it will summarize for you. So here you can see what is the introduction is all about in this paper will be summarized here. So thereby you can get a crisp content for your literature review writing. So like that you can ask 10 questions you want. So after 10 questions you have to go for subscription option, that is pricing plans. So until then it is free only. So you can ask up to 10 questions. So even if you want to ask your own questions other than this 12 questions, so you can ask in this tab itself. So it will answer, AI will analyze that particular paper you have uploaded and answer for you. So this is how you can use this 𝐲𝐸𝐴𝐶 to generate a better literature review for your research paper. So go on and try out this typesetio to make your literature survey very easy and better. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today for literature review writing is that Elicit. So most of you may familiar with this Elicit. So here you can use this Elicit as a search engine, and also you can use this Elicit as a literature review writing tool also. So here you can see here there are two options are available. you can find papers by giving any keywords or any topic of the paper. So other than that, you can extract data from PDF. So in order to extract data, so you can select or upload papers. So here you can upload your papers. So select at least one paper and you can click on upload. So but this analysis can be done only. So here I am going to upload this paper. Yes, here you can see that our paper is uploaded. So optimization of controller parameters for grid-tied photovoltaic system at faulty network using artificial neural network based cuckoo search algorithm. So just click on this particular paper. So here you can see these are the papers I have uploaded. So just select this paper and open. So after you have selected that open option, so here you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So in this you will be having options called add columns. So in this add columns, so you will get summary of the paper, main findings, methodology, intervention, outcome measure, limitation. So next these are the related things associated with the paper can be generated here. So if you want to get the summary of the paper, so just click on summary. So it will generate summary of the paper we have uploaded. So it will take several seconds. So yes, it is generated here. The paper presents an optimization procedure using cuckoo search algorithm to tune the parameters of multiple PA controllers in a grid-tied PV system, comparing the use of response surface methodology and artificial neural network to derive fitness function and validating the optimized parameters through simulation and experimental results on a small scale. So this is how the summary of the paper will be generated. So if you want the outcome measured from this paper or main findings of the paper, that is very important while writing literature review. So just click on main findings of the paper. So automatically what it will do, so it will generate the main findings of the paper. So here you can see these are the main findings of the paper. So this main findings can be useful for your that is literature review writing about that particular paper. So here you can see the main finding are ANN based cuckoo search algorithm in an effective method for optimizing design variables of multiple PA controller in a grid-tied PV system. So like that, the main findings of the paper will be generated here. So this is one way where you can upload your paper and you can add this columns, that is add columns option. So and then you can add whatever the points you want related with this paper and you can make literature survey using this Elicit. So this is a method. So another method is that, so here you can find papers. For example, I am going to give soft computing techniques. So like that I am going to give you a random topic. So click enter. So automatically what it will do is Elicit will suggest different papers. As like search engine, it is having many databases, millions of research papers in them. So it will generate different papers related with our search. So here you can see soft computing and its applications, special issue on soft computing applications. So an introduction to few soft computing technologies to predict software quality. So this is how the search engine will generate answers. So here what it will do is Elicit automatically make literature review of top 4 papers. That is the first paper, second, third and fourth paper. So it automatically make literature review of 4 papers. So and then if you want to add more, so here you can add it to 8 papers, but only you have to go for subscription option. So only if you subscribe for this only it will generate a literature review for 8 papers. So other than that it will generate for free, that is 4 papers for free. So you can make use of this option also. Other than that, if you want to explore this paper as we have did earlier, so just to click on that paper, so and you can add columns. For example, it will generate the abstract summary. So if you want to see the methodology or main findings, so just add the paper, click on add columns. So automatically it will generate. So if it is not present in this particular paper, so it won't generate. So other than that, so for example, an overview of soft computing technologies, so it will generate what are the main findings with this paper. So like that, if the paper comprises of that particular columns, that is categories, so it will generate that particular for for the category what we have given, so it will generate the main findings also. So like that you can make use of this Elicit as a search engine and also to automate the literature review. So this is all about this Elicit. So go on and explore this Elicit. So if you are interested with this 4 papers and 8 papers and 16 papers to automate your literature review, so you can go for subscription option in Elicit. So this is all about this Elicit tool. Moving on to our third AI tool. So go to this tab. So the third AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that LMS Research Support AI tool. So in this LMS Research Support AI tool, so you will be having different AI templates for research paper writing. So here you can see this is LMS AI Ultimate templates. So in this template, so there are many AI templates are available, especially for research paper writing. So among them there are 5 important templates especially designed for literature review. So here you can see literature review, reference to content, detailed literature review, chat with paper and chat with PDF text. So these are the 5 templates available for making literature review. So in order to make instant literature review, what you can do is you can use this literature review and reference to content template. So just to click on both of them. So literature review and reference to content template. So here you will be getting the dashboard of this literature review template as well as your reference to content literature review template. So in both of this template, what you have to do is just copy and paste the references. So that references will be converted into literature review instantly. So let us show you an example. So here you can see that I have taken reference papers related to the topic artificial intelligence and machine learning applications in smart production, progress, tense and directions. So in this paper I have taken 5 different references. So go to literature review template. So in this template what you can do is just paste the 5 references and just click on literature review. So next in reference to content, so what you can do is just add 5 references and you can select the citation style whatever you want, APA style, Chicago style, IEEE style, whatever you want. So just click on generate content. So it will take several seconds. So here you can see the literature review will generated the literature review for that 5 references. So in this you can see this is the first reference and for that first reference it will generate the main findings of the paper and also limitations associated with the particular paper. So like that it will give for all the 5 references. So you can make use of all the 5 references. So just copy and paste it in your literature review section. And then next thing is that reference to content template. In this reference to content template, so a crisp and precise literature review will be generated. So you can use this for your literature review also. These 2 templates are very useful for you to make an instant literature review. So in order to do detailed literature review, so just to go to detailed literature review template. So in this detailed literature review template, so there are different specifications can be asked in the detailed literature review. So what you can do is you can give the title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part and conclusion of the paper. So here go to that is the paper we have chosen, just copy the title and you can paste here. So next go on and copy the abstract of the paper. So and then you can paste the abstract of the paper. Next introduction part of the paper. So here you can see this is the introduction part of the paper. So copy the introduction part. So and you can paste here. So next one conclusion of the paper. So go to the conclusion part. So here you can see. So this is the conclusion part of the paper. So copy the conclusion. So and then you can paste in that tab. After that just click on literature review. So after analyzing all these particulars, this AI template will generate a perfect literature review for you and a detailed literature review for you. So here you can see you will get the summary of the paper, main findings of the paper, limitations of the paper in detail. So like that you can, in order to make a detailed literature review, just have your references with you, just copy and paste the specification asked in this dashboard. So thereby it will generate a perfect literature review for you. So you can make use of this option when, especially when you are going for review paper writing, so you can make use of this option. So next important template is the chat with paper. So just to click on this chat with paper. So in this chat with paper template, what you can do is, so if you have doubts related with your reference paper, if you have doubts on any section of your reference paper, just copy and paste the section of the content alone here, and then you can ask any questions you want. For example, I am going to paste the conclusion of the paper. So and you can ask question from the above conclusion, what are the further developments can be made in this paper. So here can be made in this paper. So just to click on ask questions. So this AI template will be very useful for those who are making a review paper writing. So especially whenever you are going for review paper writing, so you have to analyze your reference paper bits and pieces. So you can copy any section of your reference paper here, and you can ask any questions you want with that reference paper. So thereby you can get a clear data and idea related to the reference you are analyzing. So here comes our future further developments. So here you can see expanding the search to include additional databases such as Google Scholar to capture more comprehensive range of literature on AI and MI applications, conducting a more in-depth analysis for selected literature to identify emerging trends and gaps in current research. So like that, it will give what are the further future scope of the paper. Next to last one is that chat with PDF. So just to click on this chat with PDF text. So in this chat with PDF, so you can upload your paper, and then you can get page wise analysis. So here you will be having an option called PDF to text extractor. So just to select this option, you can choose any file you want, and you can upload your file. You can get the page wise data of the paper. So in this tab, you can copy and paste the page wise data, and you can ask any questions you want. So here you can see these are the possible questions can be asked with that particular content. So summarize the content, explain the content, inference from the content, method used in this content. So like that, you can ask any questions you want related with this the content, that is page wise content, you can use. So this is how this template will work. So in this LMS Research Support AI templates, you will get 5 different literature review templates, especially for research paper writing. So you can make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. So this is all about this video. In this video, we have discussed about 3 important AI templates, AI tools, which will be useful for this, especially for literature review writing. So you can get an idea about how to use different AI tools and templates for that is literature review writing for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.